Okay, today is January 23, year 2026. Okay, it's finally it's demolished. Linis na. Walang laman. Wala nang laman. Ready for sale. Okay. Ayan. Ito na lang, mga basura na lang, kahoy na lang. Okay, it's finally demolished. So this is used to be our garden. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Ganda bahay nila, Doktora. Okay. It's finally demolished. Wala na natitira. Okay. Okay. Ito yung dating ano. Ito yung dating sala namin. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.